The whole new SYMA X5UW-D is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to post a video at any time and learn the X5UW-D accessories assembly with us. Blade installation. There are two kinds of blades, positive and negative one. When blade is installed, please pay attention to the corresponding marks on blade. Insert the protective guard into the corresponding slot.
Next, let's pick up the camera. Insert the cable into the corresponding slot on the bottom of the aircraft, and then install it correctly. Finally, as the aircraft battery installation,
Open the remote controller's battery compartment and put the 4 self-purchased batteries into the battery compartment and finish battery installation. Use your phone, scan QR code, and install software. After connecting the Wi-Fi hotspot, then open the software. Finally, turn on the controller and aircraft. After matching is done, unlock the aircraft and begin to fly. Turn on the aircraft. Turn off the aircraft. Turn on the aircraft. Turn off the aircraft. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Fly in the constant altitude. Ascent. Descent. Forward. Backward. Left sideward flight. Right sideward flight. Left rolling. Right rolling. Define the front before opening the headless mode. Headless mode. Long press the right joystick into the headless mode and then long press the right joystick to exit the headless mode. High and low speed switch. Short press the right joystick to switch the flight speed of the aircraft. Trimmer key. When the aircraft is off, press the left joystick until it enters into the trimming mode, and then push the corresponding joystick to fine-tune. Push left and right joysticks to lower right for horizontal correction. Long press the trimming button and restart the controller for trimming reset. Camera video mode. Press the button on the upper left corner to control aircraft's camera and video action.
To enter gravity mode, press the right joystick area and tilt the phone to control the flight of the aircraft.
Draw a flight path on the screen, allowing the aircraft to fly according to the track.
It has optical flow positioning augmentation system.
When aircraft's indicator light flashes, it means the aircraft battery is low. At this time, the battery must be charged or replaced. When the aircraft's battery power is low, use the charging cable for charging. When the indicator goes off, it means charging is finished. Finally, manipulate the aircraft to shoot and enjoy images or videos from Wi-Fi real-time transmission. SYMA X5UW-D makes flying so easy.